We will take a look into the nature of emotion. By definition, emotion is a state of arousal involving facial and bodily changes, brain activation, cognitive appraisals, subjective feelings, and tendency towards action, all shaped by cultural rules. This definition includes three primary areas of concern to psychologists. Firstly, physiological changes. Secondly, cognitive process. And finally, the cultural influences. There are primary emotions and secondary emotions. Primary emotions are considered to be universal and biologically based. They are usually thought to include fear, anger, sadness, joy, surprise, disgust, and contempt. There are also secondary emotions. These emotions are specific to certain culture rather than universal. In the pioneer study by researcher Paul Ekman, the findings indicate that facial expressions of primary emotions are universal. In his studies, even members of remote cultures can recognize facial expressions in people who are foreign to them. He validated his findings in various cultures and found similar patterns of the universal expressions of emotion. To check your understanding, can you differentiate which emotions are primary and which are secondary? In understanding the universal expressions of emotion, we also need to discuss about facial feedback. That is a process by which the facial muscles send messengers to the brain about the basic emotions being expressed. For example, a woman who is told to look disgusted experiences negative feelings at the same moment. The universal expressions of emotions are partly innate. Research findings suggest that infants are able to recognize parental expressions and adjust their behavior accordingly.